Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of My Mom and I TV. So good to have you here. Again, it's Priska. To my returning subscribers, thank you so very much for always stopping by to watch my videos. I don't take your time out with me for granted. And to you seeing my face for the first time, thank you too for dropping in. Please kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the bells so you don't miss out on future contents. In this channel, there are lots of interesting episodes that you wouldn't like to miss out on. Stay subscribed. Today, I bring us yet another interesting episode. The government of Netherlands has announced fully funded scholarship for international students, and this program is open for master degree and short courses. Short courses, the duration is from 2 months to 12 months, and then the master degree programs will be from 1 year to 2 years. Every information, detail of everything required for this program, I'll be leaving under the description of this video. This scholarship covers cost of living, tuition fee, travel tickets, health insurance. You can see it's a very good offer. Why not give it a try? You might be lucky and turn out successful. Take note, for you to be eligible for this scholarship, you must be admitted into any of the Dutch universities. And then again, this program takes effect from February 1, 2023. Is in 2 phases. Another one is also from May 1st, 2023. Eligibility criteria. All national non-EU applicants are eligible to apply. Then again, you meet the specific requirements from your choice of institution. You do not have a degree from an education, any of the institutions in the Netherlands, then you are eligible to apply. The list of the institutions are in the website. As soon as you log in the website, the link is under the description of this video. You will find all the various institutions. Then apply for the choice, the course of your choice. As soon as you're given admission, then you are good to go. You can go ahead for the scholarship application. Everything required for this scholarship, all the further informations you need are in the link. Thank you so very much for your time out. I wish you all the best as you embark on this. Bye. See you in my next.